ABT microsessions. Making plans for the future. Vocabulary. Going to. Plan. Meet. Go. See. Do. Have. Invite. Accept. Decline. Let's read.
I'm planning to go to the beach this weekend. I'm going to meet some friends there, and we're going to swim and sunbathe. I'm really looking forward to it. Are you going to do anything fun this weekend? Maybe we could go together. I'm going to invite a few other people too. I'm also planning to go to a concert next month. I'm going to see my favorite band play. I'm really excited about it. Would you like to go with me? I'm sure we'll have a great time. Let me know if you're interested.
Now, let's answer. What is the speaker planning to do this weekend? Who is the speaker going to meet at the beach? What is the speaker planning to do next month? Think about it. Practice your answers. Share it in the comments. See you soon. Bye.